Good morning, traders. Today marks the final trading session of April and it is a pivotal one. With significant economic data to be released and the market at crucial technical junctures, let's discuss what's ahead. We have a chunk of news coming in with US GDP, Treasury refunding, personal income, and crude oil inventories. Let's first recap yesterday. ES fought hard to break above Monday's value area high at 5,565, with buyers defending Friday's open and pushing into the low volume node, forming a dull distribution. Let's dive into our charts. On the 10-day volume profile, we see that price is keeping above this 5,562, which is this range low and this value area low, and the previous range high at 5,528. This area is key for potential breakout or rejection. On our weekly chart, we see that value is building above last week's POC 5,473.25, with the current POC right now at 5,558. This zone will be critical as we transition into May. Now let's take a look at yesterday's action on the 2-hour Delta chart. The market saw passive buyers stepping in beneath the weekly VWAP, taking out these highs again, but struggling to follow through above 5,590. A double distribution formed above Monday's excess high at 5,578.75. An open above yesterday's value area high at 5,581.75 would signal bullish continuation. And on the 1-hour chart, we see that ES is in a clear uptrend above our weekly line in the stand at 5,550, escaping the 4-hour value area high at 5,564 and the monthly VWAP first deviation. Trading inside this low volume node, our path to the monthly open at 5,644.25 is visible. So as for a game plan today, my line in the sand will be 5,570, which is this volume profile ledge and the strike price midpoint. As bull targets, we have 5,597, 5,620 and 5,650. And as for bear targets, we have 5,550, 5,521 and 5,500. So guys, we have a high impact data day with GDP, Treasury refunding and personal income data releasing today. We expect some increased volatility. And this significant drop in crude oil prices this month will add another layer of complexity to the market dynamics. So as April concludes, be mindful of potential end of the month rebalancing and positioning. Be disciplined, manage your risk and let the market come to you. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all trading sessions. All my links are below in the description. Let's finish April strong.